RC car off-road 4x4 waterproof 1/16 scale fast remote control car. This 4WD high-speed RC race car is equipped with high-quality and durable 380 brushed motor which can generate a greater horsepower for the RC truck. This has made a huge enhancement for the acceleration, and it allows the remote control truck to have a top speed of 40+ km per hour and a better acceleration when compared to larger scale RC trucks. However, please keep in mind that the speed differs in different terrains. The off-road RC monster truck is constructed with nylon chassis. Non-skid tires, shock absorber allow you to drive your RC car in all terrains. The fast RC car is equipped with 5-wire steering servo which provides higher accuracy and better fixed power, faster response, softer and faster acceleration and deceleration. This 1/16 scale remote control truck boasts extraordinary grip, operation and durability. It is designed for entry-level and intermediate-level users who want to move towards advanced level hobbyist grade RC.